All right, we are going to go through these two lovely drawers. This was only pot holders and oven mitts, and then they're creeping over to this drawer, which is supposed to just have trivets and coasters. So, time to get rid of something. Someone's got to. All right, here we are. I have to bend down a little so you can see me, but let's go through this. This I am going to get rid of. This one is my favorite. It is my favorite oven mitt. You know you're old when you have a favorite oven mitt. This one I love. You know I change out my theme stuff. We've got a flamingo, and then these are both Kate Spade, I believe. But like both of those, they're good quality. And my mom just got me these for Thanksgiving. We always do Thanksgiving here, so I was like, oh, I didn't even have one, so that'll be fun. Now, these I'm going to get rid of. These are like Dollar Tree. They're cute, but I don't need them, and they're not like the best quality. Definitely getting rid of those. How are you doing, by the way, in your decluttering? Comment below, what are you decluttering? Tell me what you've decluttered so far. These, I'm going to think about these for a second. So these are in the middle. Got to think about you. I do love these. These are adorable, and it's good for Thanksgiving. Pick your own pumpkins, and they're like sparkly. So we're keeping those. And these are the pair that go with those. This one, in theory, it seems cool. It's like, it reaches like, I don't know, 500 degrees Fahrenheit, but I never reach for it. So someone will love that, right? Bye. Not me. These, you know, let's see what fits in here, right? As long as they all fit in the drawer, but I don't know that they will. Let's see. Put the squares back there. These drawers are so tiny. This house was built in the 80s, and the kitchen has not been renovated. So those fit. Let's see. There. Buy a hair. Okay, so that's good. Now these, I just got my husband. He's a musician. Oh, I guess the focus isn't doing so well because I'm back and forth. Anyway, they're vinyl coasters with little like record vinyls. Very cute. So I thought he'd use these in his room, so I'm going to put them in his like man cave, but he put them in the coaster drawer. Those will go downstairs. Then these are trivets. Love these, just metal trivets. Very exciting. Like I said, we do host some events here. I'm not like a huge host. Huge! I used to be, but since Cora, I don't have as many parties and stuff. This Cora made me last Mother's Day. You know I can't get rid of that one, of course. And then these really do come in handy, so I'll be keeping all these. My old neighbor, how cute. She put Cora's face on a trivet. Oh my God. She's so crafty. And then there's donuts. I'm obsessed with donuts. I love donuts. Don't we all? But my mother-in-law got me those. But I really do use these a lot. Even when we just have like a few people over or whatever. Now, this is so cute. I might put these in my makeup room because I do bring drinks up there. But it's from Benefit Cosmetics. They sent me these when I was like more of a makeup person, ambassador. People would send me stuff all the time. The realness of concealness. They have little quotes. Looking good is the best revenge. But they're really cute and I like them. And I'm going to put those upstairs. I don't have bins and bags right now. I am in a rush today. And then these are my Kate Spade coasters that I'm obsessed with. I use these a lot. I love them. Look, sparkle it up. So I'm going to definitely leave these in here. I don't know. These are little nubs. I'm going to ask my husband what those nubs are. I love when husbands just throw some nubs in the drawer. And then this is an awesome. It's like a collapsible trivet. Or a toy for Cora because she comes and steals it and plays with it all the time. But this is great. I'm going to put all... Oh, this is so nice. I'll show you. I will show you what they look like now. This one looks really nice. This one, he's so little stuffy. He's a little stuffy. You know what? I'm going to be a big girl. I mean, how many do I really need, right? So I'm going to be a big girl because I would like... He's still getting stuck, but it's better. I might reorganize it, but I think that is plenty. I don't need those extra ones. So don't forget to comment below what you have been decluttering, how you're doing, if you're doing it every day, how long you're doing it for, all that good stuff. And if you are new, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get all my videos. Deuces!